prepare different materials. It can magnets, cards, another cards, toys, and books, and everything you can find. Okay? So way number 1 is I put animals. Cow, repeat after me. Cow, pig, horse, rooster. Abracadabra, busy book. What does it mean? Say, pig is missing. Pig is missing. Good job. Then I add more animals. Horse, cow, rooster, pig, sheep, and goat. Now you do. Abracadabra, busy boom. Abracadabra, busy boom. And ask me, what is missing? Maybe a rooster?
No.
Maybe a cow?
No.
Maybe a goat? Yes! Goat is missing. Well done. Thank you very much, Dennis. Way number 2, you take magnets when you play with your babies. Okay, give them magnets. For example, dog, chameleon, cat. Stick on the board, Dennis. Take, stick on the board. It's a game for babies. Stick on the board. Dog, chameleon, stick on the board. Now say parrot, chinchilla, rat. Stick on the board. Well done. So Dennis, bring me dog. Repeat after me, everyone. Bring me dog. Dennis, bring me dog. Good job. Bring me cat. Bring me cat. Say, take Sandy. Take. Thank you very much. Bring me chinchilla. Bring me chinchilla. No, chinchilla is fluffy. Yes. Say, take Sandy. Thank you very much. Bring me chameleon. Thank you very much. Bring me parrot and the rat. Thank you very much. Okay, next class, you can use sticks. Okay, let's repeat. Horse, cow, donkey, turkey, goose, duck, chicken, rooster, goat, lamb. Okay, let's find a horse. Hurry up, who's first? A horse. There is a horse. Say peekaboo. Well done. Let's find a donkey. Yes, where is donkey? Hooray, well done. Let's find turkey. Here you are, I give me high five. Now we're gonna play a game. What is different? What doesn't belong here? So I want to put starfish. Say starfish. Dog. Cat. Hamster. Tell me please, what is different? What doesn't belong here? Say starfish is different. Why?
Because
Cat,
dog
and
hamster have
are domestic animal, and starfish is a sea creature. Well done. Let's retry one more time. Walrus. Repeat after me. Walrus. Seahorse. Lobster. Cat. And last one, orcas. Okay, ask the question. What is different? What doesn't belong here? Maybe seahorse? No. Maybe orcas? Maybe cat? Yes. Say cat is different. Cat doesn't belong. Why?
Because
Walrus, rooster, and orca.
In the water.
Sea inhabitants, good job. And cat is animal. So you can play this game with any topic, not only animals. And now a lesson for our babies. You know, 1-year-old kid must know all the animal sounds. So we show them. Goat says meh. Dennis. Goat says meh. What does the pig say? Pig says oink oink. Pig says oink oink. What does a cow say? Cow says moo. Cow says moo. Good job. What does a horse say?
Horse says
Neigh. Neigh. Horse says neigh, neigh. What does a pig say? Pig says oink oink. Well done. And what does a rooster say? Rooster says cock-a-doodle-doo. Okay. What does a sheep say?
sheep say bear.
Bow. Well done, guys. Do it every day with your baby. Next time, you can hide animals and ask the question. Listen.
Listen.
What can you hear? Ba, ba. What can you hear, baby? I hear a sheep. I hear a sheep. And now say, listen, listen.
Listen.
What can you hear? What can you hear? Me, me. What can you hear? I hear a goat. I hear a goat. Well done. Listen,
Listen.
listen. What can you hear? Oink, oink. I hear a pig. Good job. And now say, listen. What can you hear? I hear a rooster. Well done. Listen.
Listen.
What can you hear?
What can you hear? Horse.
I hear a horse. And last one, listen. That is, listen. What can you hear?
Cow.
I hear a cow. Give me a high five. Very smart. So, next day, you repeat with kids all of the farm animals. Say, horse, rooster, goat,
Cow.
cow, sheep, and pig. Tell me please, which animal says moo?
Cow.
Cow says moo. Always speak full sentence. Okay, horse,
Horse.
rooster,
Rooster.
goat,
Goat.
sheep, pig. Which animal says cock-a-doodle-doo? Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Rooster say cockatoo.
Rooster says cock-a-doodle-doo. Okay, horse, goat,
Sheep.
okay, now we can remember everything. Which creature says oink oink?
Pig say
Oink oink. Well done. You can find Old MacDonald Had a Farm song and you can sing it with your kids. And Dennis, let's do it. Are you ready? I find rooster, sheep, duck,
duck.
cow,
Cow.
pig,
Pig.
and
Horse.
horse. Well done. And let's sing Old MacDonald. Show me your hands. Say, Old MacDonald had a farm, here-a-yo, and on his farm he had a duck,
Duck.
here some cows. E-I-E-I-O. With a moo moo here and a moo moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere moo moo. I'll knock the door, not ever. E-I-E-I-O. Well done. Next time you can think in different ways. Okay, tell me please, what does a rooster say? What does a rooster say? Maybe meow?
No.
Maybe woof?
No.
Maybe cock-a-doodle-doo?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. Say, rooster says cock-a-doodle-doo. Oh, ask me the question. What does a pig say? What does a pig say? What does a pig say? Oink, oink. Well done. What does a horse say? Maybe ga-ga-ga?
No.
Maybe moo?
No.
Maybe meow?
No.
What does it say? Maybe